I'm working on a 2013 BMW X3. I just replaced the RDC tire pressure control module. It had the wiring harness was where it connected to the module was all rotted out. It's in kind of a bad location, and it gets a lot of exposure to water and salt and dirt, and it got into the connector and corroded it all out. So I replaced all the pins on the connector and put the new module in. Here's the old one. You can see how the pins are all garbage, rusty, corroded. So after I did that, I plug in the scan tool, and I was still unable to communicate with the RDC. So just looking for how it's powered up, I went into the back of the car and I checked the fuse panel that was closest to that module right here, and turns out this fuse right here was blown. The one I'm pointing at right here, this fuse was blown, and put a new one in, and now I can talk to it, so it just needs to be coded now. So just showing you that if you replace the module, do harness repairs, and the module doesn't light up and you can't communicate with it right away, you should check that fuse. So thanks.